So here we are. I'll back up a little bit. You can see my mess here, working on quite a mess, but still. Now I don't know if this will work properly. I'm not 100% sure that it will. Might not be strong enough. But what I have is a secondary arm. You see this right here? And this turns it. And this right here will have a belt on it that connects up to this motor's pulley. So that's how that's going to work. So when this turns, it'll turn the secondary arm. And this one right here is set up so that it'll connect with a belt up to here. This is kind of Mickey Mouse, but I'll get it right. So that'll turn this arm, and you can see, oops, sorry. You can see that the pulley turns, so yeah. And this goes up and down right here. So the whole assembly goes up and down, and I have to balance weigh it just like I did the first one. So the second iteration of this robot arm looks like it's coming along. This is on the chain that raises it up and down, and you can see that when I go up and down here, the chain moves up and down, right? So that's good. And I also have the chain, and I need to put a spring on this to tighten it down. That's a chain tightener, tensioner. So all in all, the second version of my robot arm system is starting to come together. It's going to take a while.